not saying anything, but you can tell he's talking to the
Wow. That knock. The players are coming off the field whether they want them to or not.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Willingham at first base went down on all fours. I don't blame him. Wow.
That knocked me down.
That thing came out of nowhere.
Sure did. My goodness. So we're going to have a delay here, more of lightning and safety right now than anything. And Chuck Morgan's suggestion is being heeded by the folks in the upper deck. They are heading for some cover.
Takes his cap off momentarily. Back on top. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was dangerous. And as soon as that thunder sounds very close to the ballpark, everyone on the field leaves, people taking cover, and the tarp crew goes to work. Oh my goodness.
That is the loudest clap of thunder I have ever heard in this ballpark.
In my
By
life.
far.
In my life. Everyone on the field jumped as one. And they are bringing the tarp out on the field right now. It's not raining. But I've seen many games before thrown into delay because of the advance of a dangerous electrical storm, and that is a sure sign that a dangerous electrical storm is very close by.
Wow. A brilliant flash of lightning and an immediate clap of thunder, and we're going to have a stoppage of play. For the safety of the fans and the players, that hit very close to this ballpark. And they are going to waste no time to put the tarp on the field and ushering people back to safety. That was frightening.
That's about the loudest I've ever heard, that close.
The umpires were the first to leave the field.